Hey guys, what's up? It's Trey here, here back with another video. Trying not to make it cringy this time. So today I'm actually going to be solving all three of these completely mixed up Rubik's cubes. A lot of people at my school actually watch my videos, so they already know I can do this. But I'm going to be solving them in under 10 minutes. I'm going to be timing myself with this stopwatch on my brother's phone. And actually right now, they're in my little brother's room trying to solve the 2x2, which my little brother just got. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm just going to look at it so I can actually do it. Okay. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. Sorry about the loud noise, guys. There. I'm just trying to solve this cube. I actually can do it. You guys are probably thinking I'm stupid, so I can't, but I can. A lot of people at my school actually watch these, and they know I can, but just don't really even care anymore. But all you other people who don't know me and don't go to my school, this is completely new. Just learned how to solve them, and I'm actually really good at them now. It's pretty good talent. It's not terrible, but it's just reached a minute. Actually, just reached a minute. Sorry about the loud noises coming from my brother's room. They're struggling with the 2x2 because we just got it, and my brother really wants to solve it. Okay. Dang it, I didn't. Okay, my brother just really wants to solve the cube. First one is done. On to my second. Okay. As you can see, I'm not cheating at all, because if you thought I was, you're looking at me. That actually took me quite a while, so you can't just see me copy off of this stuff. Usually it would just be clickbait, but this is actually not a clickbait video. It's not clickbait. So, sorry about the loud noises. You probably have a way more sensitive hearing since this is on my phone. It's almost 3 minutes right now. And I don't have enough time, so I don't want it to take forever. And I also don't want to keep you guys waiting a lot. That's like one of my main goals with this video. My little brother just got his new 3x3, and I figured why not just make a YouTube video about it. Of course, everyone at my school has been waiting for me to make one every day. Really. Almost every month I hear people asking me, when are you going to be making a video? And we said, maybe, I don't know. So, this is just a video about random stuff, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. guys might be noticing a pattern because I'm actually not going side for side. I'm actually like using actual tactics. I'm using actual tactics. It's okay, I messed up a little part. Yeah. Second cube solved. And it's at the 5-minute mark. Well, almost. Okay, here we go. Jack, don't come in here.
He's trying to be the boss of my Rubik's Cube.
No, I'm not. I'm actually trying to help. Oh my god. They're getting into huge arguments. It's so funny. I think Barry just got... I think Lorna just solved it. I don't know, because I wouldn't be in there soon. Stop arguing, guys. Just a fun thing that you can do. This isn't taking that long, I hope, for you guys watching. I've made longer videos, and this video is probably the most boring one. Larry, get out. I'm making a video. No. Oh, hi, Larry. Larry, get out.
Well, I know I don't have a shirt on.
Larry. Sorry.
Try it. Can you get it up there? Yay! Yay!
Can you just move out of the way?
I'm gonna take one of these.
Okay, fine.
And I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna solve it.
Yay! Yay! Larry, did you solve the cube?
Dude, I just mixed it up. I'm just trying to solve it right now. My brother is complaining over a 2x2 that he is trying to learn how to solve. Because he just got one for his birthday. Birthday's tomorrow.
I already told
And
you.
he got an early birthday present. That was it. Oh, you did? Oh, my bad. I didn't know that. Ray.
Guess what, Larry? You made me mess up.
No, I didn't.
And now you're going to have to keep the viewers waiting longer.
No.
Because the video is almost 10 minutes long. Oh my god, the timer...
Did the timer go off? If
No.
it did, you suck.
You know what? I don't even care anymore. I'm just doing this for fun. I was actually going pretty slow. You know, just freaking free by freeze. They're annoying me. And whoever looks you. And the video almost reached the 10-minute mark. And I have to see what my time is.
What was it?
It was 10 minutes, 50 seconds. And this video is about to reach 10 minutes. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Goodbye.
And goodbye. There, no one wants to see your face. Bye.